Well, hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen this week because we're home for the holidays and it is Instapot Weeknight Warriors, and I'm gonna sit there and show you just how easy it is to make a breakfast bake. So grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, my Instapot Weeknight Warriors. Are you ready to sit there and make that breakfast bake? Well, let's get baking it in our what? In our Instapots.
I'm in trouble with the wood.
Okay, what we're going to be needing is 24. You can use plain, regular mini donuts, or you can use the Coconut Crunch mini donuts as what I'm using here. You need 24 of them. Then you're going to be needing 1 cup heavy whipping cream, half a cup of brown sugar, and 4 eggs. Now, I'm going to sit there, crumble up the mini donuts inside of our Instapot insert, and in a bowl I'm going to be showing you that we're going to be mixing up the whipping cream and the eggs. So I have my bowl right here. We're just going to set it down, and I'm going to sit there first, crumble up the mini donuts inside my Instapot insert. But before I do that, I'm going to sit there and spray my insert with some cooking spray. So let's go ahead and just give that a quick spray. Now simply, I'm going to sit there and crumple these in a few pieces and just throw them on inside of the Instapot. So I want you to do the same. Alright, now sit there and put your heavy whipping cream in your bowl. Add 4 eggs. And now we're going to sit there and whip this all up. Okay, whisk this all up. And then we're just going to sit there and pour this over and let it sit for like a half hour. And we'll be back after that. So let me whisk this all up, and we're going to pour it all over the donuts inside our Instapot. Now that we have this all mixed up, pour this all over everything on the inside of the Instapot, and we're going to allow this to sit for at least 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes have passed. Now I'm going to sit there and take my brown sugar and there I have it all sprinkled over the top. Now we're going to grab our cover and we're going to get Betsy here started. Put the cover on. Make sure we have it, the valve locked. We're going to come down here and we're going to push the manual button and decrease the time to 10 minutes. Alright, we put the 10 minutes on, let it build the pressure up, and after the 10 minutes we're going to do a quick release, and I'll see you then. Alright, it sounded off, do a quick release. And also turn it off. Now let's go ahead and open it up. And if it looks a little too wet, it needs to go maybe 10 minutes more. I'm gonna take mine 5 minutes more, so I'm gonna come back up here. We're gonna close our vent back off, push the manual button on, and I'm gonna decrease the time to 5 minutes, and we'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, let's release the pressure.
Every time I go in the big farm, I was picking this.
And again, turn it off.
Like I showed Curtis this shit. I was just like, yeah, this.
And here's a close-up view. Well, it looks like I have a new toy. This new toy was given to me by my son, and I greatly appreciate it. And it looks like Betsy here. Well, I'm gonna be giving her to my son, and I know she's gonna be going to a good home because he's gonna be following a lot of his mama's recipes as his mama puts them out there on the internet. So, Betsy, I love ya. I mean, look at how fast this is going. It's really good. Now that's how easy it was to make this breakfast bake in our Instapots. Now if you really liked what you saw here today, you can sit there and give my channel a big old present by sharing this recipe with others and letting others know of Teasers Pleasers. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now. You hear?